What can you tell me about LaRoche?
He could have been one heck of a skater, but his legs were so tiny they couldn't reach the skates. He likes to hang out at that plant world. You seem like the type of guy to hang out there too.
Why is that?
Because you got a real flowery way of talking.
I'm not in the mood to eat right now. So that's my contact, eh? Brilliant disguise. I'd like a candied apple, please.
Certainly, sir. Here at Food of the Future, all food is on sticks. It allows you to enjoy your favorite foods without using a knife or fork or having to stop what you're doing. Here you go, a free candied apple on a stick sample.
Well, I have the candied apple.
Isn't that just grand?
Yes, but I, meaning me, have in my possession the candied apple.
Only one candied apple sample per customer. Now run along and enjoy the fare, Pumpkin.
Maybe she wants me to come back when there are less people around. Oh well, this candied apple looks good.
Watch what you're doing. You want to give me a coronary?
Ah, Lenny, you're the apple of my eye. What information do you have for me?
Hi, Spy Fox. Listen close. There are spies everywhere, so don't look directly at me. This leaf contains the information that you need.
This is too small to read.
What do you want from me? I wrote it with my teeth. Now I got to split. People are starting to stare. Throw me in the dumpster.
Suit yourself.
Oh! I'm all right. Save yourself.
Madame, would this rose be suitable?
I thank you. Now, if I could only open that display cage, I would replace that mutant fly trap with this beautiful rose. Sadly, however, I was not given the combination.
I see.
But you can still have the fly trap.
Houdini, I'm not. I'll have to find the combination to that locked display cage. I can see a star, a circle, and a triangle on this leaf. The fly trap is locked in this display cage by this rather interesting lock. I've opened harder locks than this. With the right combination, this would be a cinch. I did it!
Oh, thank you, sir. I'll just replace that atrocious fly trap with this beauteous rose.
Nicely done. I can dispose of that fly trap for you.
How polite. Obviously, you're a fox with home training.
Yes, I am housebroken, thank you. Anything else you'd like to add about Napoleon LaRoche?
How could he mistake a lovely rose for an ugly mutant Venus flytrap?
'Twas no mistake, madame. LaRoche is evil on purpose. Here's where I keep my spy gadgets. In order to enter through that secret door into the Dogbot, I'll need glasses like that bad guy was wearing and the right breath. I wasn't fast enough. I need a way to look over that bad guy's shoulder. I don't want to get a headache wearing these rose-colored glasses all over the fair. Which key should I take a picture of? Key 6.
Go right in, Maurice.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Someone's in the kitchen with...
I have to admit that at first I thought Professor Quack's idea for a spy camera was half-baked, but it turns out to be pretty hot stuff. That's not going to do me any good. I'd better not show this to LaRoche. Besides, I don't want to bug him too much.
Where do you think you're going?
The exhibit is closed. It's all right. I have a key.
Oh, well. If you've got a key, then go right in.
Ah, the right key. Excellent. See, I told you I had a key. This opening is too small to get through. It'll take someone much smaller than myself to get through. There you go, Walter. You've got to find Dottie Dash, the microfish.
You can count on me, Spy Fox. Look at that cargo. Chances are good that I'll find my contact, Dottie Dash, inside that dream house. This is Walter Wireless reporting from WeWorld. This car is my ticket to the dream house. This is the only way to travel. What a shocking waste of valuable attic space. Well now, things are starting to look up. I've been told that it's impolite to stare, but in this case, I'll make an exception. The refrigerator is now in cold storage. This button opened that door. My instinct tells me I'm getting closer to Dottie Dash's location. I can open and close the top drawer with this button, but will it sort my socks? And the $74 million question is, who invented the retractable TV? This button opens and closes the bottom drawer. Typically, I would open and close the drawer by hand. Calm, cool thinking pays off. Film at 11. Around and around and down. This is Walter Wireless. Eureka! Astounding. There is a bathtub in the floor, and it looks deep. That closed the floor over the tub.
Walter, I'm glad you found me. I've been on surveillance here in WeWorld, searching the airwaves for anything suspicious. I intercepted a smelly message that has to do with some activation code. My equipment went on the fritz before I could get the whole message to you in Spy Corps, but I think it's really important.
I'm sure it is, but if it was a radio message, how do you know it smelled bad?
Not smelly, smelly. The Society for Meaningless Evil, Larceny, Lying, and Yelling.
All right, our evil nemesis. So what was the rest of the message? I need to transmit it to SpyFox right away.
Of course, the activation code is cherry, pineapple, orange.
Got it. Walter Wireless calling SpyFox.
Please stand by.
Come in, SpyFox.
I read you loud and clear, Walter. Did you find Dottie Dash?
I did. I'm going to transmit the activation code Dottie intercepted to you via the SpyWatch. Stay tuned.
Cherry, pineapple, orange. I've got it, Walt. Good job, Dottie.
Thanks, SpyFox. The rest is up to you now.
Good luck, SpyFox. This is Walter Wireless, signing off.
I've got the off-switch activation code. Now that LaRoche is in for it.
I have been waiting in line for over 12 hours to ride the ride. Famous French pastries of the past. A cream-filled adventure. It was the highlight of the fair. The attendant refused to let me on because I was not tall enough to go through the turnstile. The turnstile. The other, taller kids laughed at me. I thought that one day it would be I who would do the laughing. Ha ha ha! I am laughing. Ha ha! See, it is I who is laughing. Yes. Very soon the evil Dogbot will be fully wound. And without the off switch there will be no way for anyone to stop me from crushing all the turnstiles and conquering the world!